Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. Today I'm giving you guys a short, quick, easy, beginner friendly brow tutorial. Yes, it's real quick, real easy. It's about 4 steps, but if you want your brows looking like this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So the products you'll need to start off with is a concealer, and I'm going to use my ABH concealer in 6.0. Next, you're going to need a spoolie brush, and I got mine from OMBRÈ.
I'm kissing, caress my body. Baby girl, you're the one that I want, so let me feel your body.
Okay, so get an eyebrow pencil, and my favorite eyebrow pencil from ABH is their Brow Wiz pencil in ebony. Next, I'm using my Mikasa E20 flat hairbrush. Okay, so step 1 is we're gonna brush out our brows. And my method is to brush them out and brush them up.
Now that I found you, I ain't gonna let you go.
Step 2, outlining your desired shape. So what I do is I start from the beginning, and as you can see, I'm doing lightly strokes. You don't want to make it so harsh. So when you start to see the line forming, then that's when you can start outlining it.
You are the one I want for tonight and more. Let me feel your body till you scream.
Step 3, now we're going to begin to fill in our eyebrows. And remember to use small strokes, y'all. Just think of the little small hairs in your eyebrows. You don't want to make it too long, too, harsh. You want to just use small strokes. It will look more natural, and also do it lightly. Don't do it so hard. Do it lightly so you can slay your eyebrows.
If you want me, then meet me halfway. Girl, don't trip, don't trip. Just let me feel your body, so I can't go on. I can't believe the way that you hold me in. The way you move is driving me crazy.
Okay, so now we're going to the top, and you will start to fill out the desired shape you want. Okay, so y'all see how easy that is? Now you're just going to start to repeat steps 1 through 4.
Here it is.
Under pressure, girl, you wet more than any treasure. The way that you move is driving me insane, and I can't believe. Don't stop, keep on going, throw it back and let me catch it. Baby girl, you're the one that I want, so let me feel your body tonight. You are the one I want for tonight and more. Let me feel your body till you scream my name. Bedroom bully, come kiss and caress my body. Baby girl, you're the one.
So this is where your spoolie brush comes into play. You want to use that brush, and you want to just brush out your brows, so that way they won't look harsh and they'll look natural. So those small strokes that you did earlier, you just want to brush them out and blend them out in your brows. That way so you can get an ombre look. So using my ABH concealer in 6.0, we're about to conceal and clean up these brows.
I ain't saying I ain't let you go. You are the one that I adore. Call me all that you want.
This is my favorite part because then you're close to slaying them brows, okay? Anyway, you're just going to do the same thing like you do your brows. You're going to take the concealer and you're going to line up your brows into the desired shape you want.
Do you scream my name? Bedroom bully, come kiss and caress my body. Baby girl, you're the one that I want, so let me feel your body tonight. The way you move is driving me crazy. The way you move is driving me crazy. Halfway, girl, don't trip. I can tell that you want me and I want you to. Girl, just let me feel your body, so I can go on. I can't believe the way that you hold me in. The way you move is driving me crazy.
Sis, don't forget to blend that concealer out. I mean, in case you're going to do your whole face and put foundation over it, then you're good. You don't have to do the blending. But if you're just going to do your brows and head out, girl, blend that concealer out, please. Okay, so here I'm just going to take the brow pencil and I just like to outline my brows and make them a little bit darker.
make you no worry, make you no fear, make you no worry, make you no fear. Oh my, I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. Tell me that.
Okay, so y'all remember when I said I like to make my brows a little darker and I outline them? Well, if you didn't do that, skip this step. I'm taking more concealer and I'm just going to blend it out in the middle of my brows, because from all the blending, your eyebrows start to come together like a unibrow, and girl, we don't want that. So you want to blend that concealer in the middle to separate them brows, okay? Next, let's take our beauty blender and we're going to blend out that concealer.
Love don't cost a thing. She said, money don't be by my love, so give me sweet, sweet love. And you turn me on the other night. My life hasn't been the same. I'm falling in love with you. Tell me that you love me. I'm falling in love with you. Boy, I'm falling in love with you. Girl, tell me that you love me.
What's up? Get it, ayy, bold. Okay, bam. Now I'm going to use my Big 9 Luxury powder and camo. I'm going to pour some in the top so it will be easier. And then I'm just going to set that concealer under my brow and on top of my brow.
Tell me that you love me, I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you, girl. Tell me that you love me, Under pressure.
So next I'm going to take my MAC 188 brush and I'm just going to dust off the setting powder I placed on top of my brow and under my brow. I love this brush because it's really good for brushing off any powders, and also you can use this for putting on foundation.
For tonight and more, let me feel your body till you scream my name. Bedroom bully, come kiss and caress my body. Baby girl, you're the one that I want, so let me feel your body tonight. The way you move.
This is my favorite blush by MAC in Blunt. Next I'm going to take my Morphe blending brush and I'm just going to take that product and blend it in the beginning, well, also throughout my eyebrows. That way I can have an ombre looking effect. Also, well, to me, I feel like when you put powder in on your eyebrows, I feel like it gives it more a natural look. I mean, what do y'all think? You should try it and see how your brows come out. I'm just saying.
So I can't go on. I can't believe the way that you hold me in. The way you move is driving me crazy. The way you move is driving me crazy.
Going back in and I'm going to use my spoolie brush. Okay, if y'all are paying attention and y'all seeing this, I keep using a spoolie brush. Like, that's the mother of brows. Girl, if you don't have a spoolie brush, then I don't know what to tell you, because your brows will look like this. Yes, I'm so proud of myself. And y'all can too, if y'all just have buy 5 of them. Okay, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Look at those brushes. Okay, yeah. Oh. Okay, y'all, so that's a wrap, and together we will say, oh, okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see y'all later.